Hello friends, welcome to the 9th episode of Mastering Excel series. Today I'm going to teach you how to rename a sheet and how to give tab color. My name is Jyoti and my channel's name is FinCoin. Please like this video and also subscribe to my channel to learn more about Excel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon. So let's begin. Suppose I want to rename this sheet 9th episode. I place my cursor over here, do a right click and then go to option rename. I've renamed the sheet and then press OK. This is how I can rename the sheet. At the same time, if I want to change the tab color, again I can do a right click, tab color, and I can choose any color. So this is how I can rename a sheet and give a tab color by using the cursor. You can also access these options by going to Home, Format, Rename Sheet and Tab Color. At the same time, if you want to be more effective, you can use the shortcut keys appearing on the screen.